Hi, are you living in a disorganized home and you're part of a couple? I'm here to tell you that home organizing is not a he problem or a she problem, it's a we problem. I'm Julie Brooks, owner of Peaceful Place Professional Home and Office Organizers based in Massachusetts on beautiful Cape Cod and the South Shore. This is something I see all the time. The two tools to getting your spouse or partner on board with wanting to get your space organized are compassion and action. I talked about compassion in a previous video. There are all kinds of reasons why people just really are too emotional to deal with organizing their stuff on their own. When I say action, I mean action from you. What I mean by that is, what would be wrong with you organizing your things and your spaces? Instead of nagging your husband to organize his tools in the garage, why don't you just say nothing to him and organize your clothes in your closet or your things in the kitchen? It's not to say, look how great I am that I'm organizing. Don't you feel bad? Aren't you motivated to get organized? It's not about that, because organizing is an act of self-care, and getting organized is always about helping you. Sure, the family benefits if the kitchen is organized, but mostly it benefits you. So start with you. Now, possibly your spouse may be inspired to get his things organized or not. We really don't have ultimately that much control over it, but if you can start with your spaces and your things, 99 times out of 100, the spouse doesn't really mind that, because you're not dealing with any of his stuff or her stuff. You're just dealing with your stuff. So it's not really a manipulative tactic to get them to do it. It's more just doing it for yourself. So that's why I say action combined with compassion and allowing people to get to a space in their own time, in their own way, are really the two tools to making organization a we issue that can be solved together. Thanks very much.